In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo S70 key fob. This is really easy to do at home. It'll take you just a couple minutes. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and a CR2016 battery. If you don't have one of these or you're not sure where to find one, go check out that first link down there in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. First step, look up here on the top of the device. You can see there's that slot right there. Put your flathead in there and gently twist, which will crack open this key fob. You can now pull it apart, and my battery is falling right out of there. So if yours is kind of stuck in there, I'm not sure if maybe mine is missing a little plastic tab or something that holds it in, because it really just falls out. If yours is in there differently, you're just going to pry the battery out. It's pretty easy. So when you get your old battery out, just go ahead and dispose of it. Take your new CR2016, and when you're putting it in, make sure the positive side that has the plus sign on it and the text is facing up. Just set that into place, positive side up. And now you can just put the back right on top and squeeze it all back together. And there you go. Just like that, you change the battery. That new battery should last you for years, and you're good to go. So I hope that helped you out. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And remember, if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel, and we will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also, you can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.